Today, the Philippines is facing significant governance challenges, including complex investigations involving public infrastructure projects. These are difficult moments for any country. But I believe that moments of challenge can become moments of reform. When weaknesses are exposed, we have an opportunity and a responsibility to correct them. Because the goal is not simply to push or not simply to punish the mistakes of yesterday. The greater responsibility is to build better institutions for tomorrow. Our mission is not only to find out what went wrong. Our greater mission is to help build systems that can do what is right. Because the ultimate success of anti-corruption work is not measured only by the number of cases filed or convictions secured. It is measured by whether we help create a government that works better for its people. So as we approach 2030, let us remember that SGD 16 is not just about building stronger institutions. It's about rebuilding the relationship between governments and its citizens. Thank you.